In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Google Drive for desktop. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to google.com/drive/download. This is the first step toward getting Google Drive right onto your desktop, providing easy access and seamless syncing between your computer and the cloud. Once you're on the page, look for the option that says Download Drive for Desktop. Click on it and you'll see the download start. This might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed, so just sit back and relax. After the download completes, you'll notice a file at the bottom of your browser or in your Downloads folder. Go ahead and open that file. Typically, it should be named something like Google Drive Setup. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to follow the installation steps, so just hit Install and let your computer do the rest. Congratulations, you now have Google Drive installed on your computer. Next, open the Google Drive app that you've just installed. You'll be greeted with a screen prompting you to sign in. Use your Google account credentials. This is an important step as it links your computer's files to your particular Google account, ensuring they're safely stored and easily accessible across multiple devices. Once you've signed in, let's move to the next step. If you're using a Windows computer, open up File Explorer. For Mac users, this is the time to open Finder. You'll notice that a new folder named Google Drive has now appeared. Click on this Google Drive folder to open it, as this will be your gateway to cloud syncing. Now that you have the folder open, let's talk about how to upload files. It's as simple as drag and drop. Just select any file from your computer, drag it into the Google Drive folder, and drop it there. You'll see that once you do, Google Drive will automatically start uploading that file to the cloud. This means your file is now safely stored at drive.google.com and accessible from anywhere you log into your Google account. Finally, let's discuss file management. If you need to free up some space or perhaps organize your files, you can easily delete files from this drive. Just delete them directly from the Google Drive folder on your computer. As soon as you do, the file will also be removed from your online drive storage. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to set up Google Drive for desktop on your computer, manage your files, and ensure everything is safely synced in the cloud. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.